Hello, how are you doing? I present the summary of an article titled Health Octo Tool Matches Personalized Health with Rate of Aging, authored by Shabnam Salimi, Aki Vatari, Marcel Salive, Matt Caberline, Daniel Raftery, and Luigi Ferrucci. They introduce a novel approach to measure biological aging by quantifying disease burden across organ systems, which they define as the body organ disease number, the count of organ systems with at least one disease. Their findings show that organ systems age at different rates, prompting the development of bodily system-specific age to reflect the aging rate of each organ. And the bodily specific clock represents each organ's intrinsic biological age. Extending this concept to the whole body, they define the body clock as a composite measure of overall intrinsic age and body age as the corresponding rate of aging. The body clock is calculated by quantifying how disease severity across organ systems contributes to the total body system's burden. These equations can be applied to standard clinical data, allowing us to estimate biological age at both the organ-specific and whole body levels. This approach offers a major advancement over conventional multimorbidity measures, as it translates complex health states into interpretable aging metrics. Importantly, not all individuals age functionally at the same rate. While some experience a decline in walking speed, a hallmark of functional aging, others maintain their mobility. To account for this, they introduced the speed body clock and speed body age, capturing how intrinsic aging relates to physical performance. Also, to better understand the relationship between systemic aging and disability, they introduced the disability body clock and disability body age, which measure the body's influence on cognitive and physical disability risk. Collectively, these 8 metrics, body clock, body age, system-specific clocks and rates, speed and disability-based clocks, offer a multi-dimensional, clinically accessible view of the aging process. Notably, body clock outperforms the frailty index in predicting functional decline, geriatric syndromes, for example, urinary incontinence and falls, disability and mortality. Why this matters. As the aging population grows, so does the burden of multimorbidity, often defined as having 2 or more chronic diseases. This leads to complex medication regimens, increased risk of adverse drug reactions, and diminished quality of life. Their work redefines multimorbidity by viewing it through the lens of aging biology, offering a framework that not only quantifies disease burden, but translates it into intrinsic and rate of aging, both at the organ and systemic levels. This aging-based framework has critical implications for precision medicine, offering a new path to discover biomarkers and therapeutics that target organ-specific or whole-body aging, rather than individual diseases. By identifying people whose organ-specific biological ages exceed their chronological age, such as a brain aged beyond 120 years or disability age beyond 130 years, we gain insights into extending healthy lifespan and delaying cognitive decline. What's next? Dr. Salimi is developing a digital application that uses patient-reported clinical data to generate these aging metrics. This tool will enable individuals and their healthcare providers to track biological age and assess the impact of lifestyle interventions, anti-aging therapies, and personalized treatment plans. Whether someone is adopting a new diet, exercise routine, or taking longevity-targeting drugs, they will be able to visualize how their body and each organ is responding. She will be back to you with the Health Octo Tool app to assess your organ systems and your body age. Till then, stay tuned and healthy.